Hello, friends. Did you know the UAE offers more than 10 different types of visas, from tourist visa to golden visa, from employment to remote work visa? Each one has different rules, benefits, and eligibility. So, if you're planning to visit work, invest, or settle in UAE, this video is for you. I'm your host Aditi, and welcome back to my channel, Voices of Insight Business Simplified. Today, I shall take you through the major types of UAE visas in simple language. UAE offers multiple types of visas. There are two major categories: tourist visa and residence visa. And all the visas except for tourist visa fall in residence visa category. Let's first start with the tourist visa. There are usually three subcategories in tourist visas: 30 days visa, 60 days visa, and 5-year multiple entry tourist visa. The 5-year visa allows you to stay up to 90 days per visit and does not require a local sponsor. This is perfect for the frequent travelers or family visits. However, from last few months, only 1 month visa is being issued and other types of tourist visas or visit visas have been put on hold. Now let's jump to the residence visas. The first type of residence visa is employment visa, which is like the work visa. If you get a job in the UAE, your employer sponsors your visa. The process will include entry permit, medical test, Emirates ID, visa stamping, and it's usually valid for 2 years. This visa is linked to your employer. Another category is called green visa, which is like a self-sponsored thing, which is for the freelancers, skilled professional workers, investors. And this visa is usually valid for 5 years and does not require employer sponsorship. This is like ideal for the people who want flexibility and independence. Just a disclaimer here that I have personally never done the green visas or found anyone who's holding this green visas. So I'm really not sure if currently this visa is being provided or no. The third residence visa and the most popular long-term visa is golden visa, which is valid either for 5 years or for 10 years. It is subject to the investment value. Eligible categories include investors, real estate buyers, entrepreneurs, scientists, doctors, engineers, outstanding students, creative professionals, and you can sponsor yourself, your own family. The visa offers long-term stability. You can travel multiple times, and a lot of other benefits are involved in this. Let me know if you want me to come up with a detailed video just on golden visa. The next is investor visa. The investor visa is also called partner visa. It depends on where are you making the investment. If you are making the investment in a company, for example, you're opening a company here, then you are going to get investor visa. But if there are more than one shareholder in the company and both of the shareholders are applying for the investor visa, then the same visa is called as partner visa. So investor visa and partner visa are like more or less same thing. The other thing is property visa, which is like if you are investing in a property. So it is also an investment, but we can call it a property visa. That is also a self-sponsor thing. The validity of all the residence visas except for golden visa happen to be 2 years. It's only the golden visa which will be either for 5 years or 10 years. Another category of visa is freelancer, which is available in very specific free zones. Just a couple of free zones are providing it, which is for the designers, IT professionals, media experts, consultants. So usually paired with a freelance permit, and these are again valid for 1 year. There is one more category which is called student visa, which is issued to university students, school students, usually valid for 1 year and is renewable. The outstanding students may also get for 5 years of student visa. Another category is family visa. So of course, the residents themselves can sponsor their family members like spouses, children, and parents. This obviously has certain requirements like the salary criteria has to be met and other documents required. But this is usually for the people who are living in UAE and who want to bring their family members here. There are a few important points you must know regarding visas: that the medical test is mandatory. For residence visas, Emirates ID is compulsory. You must have health insurance. And if you stay over and you have not renewed your visa or you do not exit the country, then the fines also apply. The overstay fines are on per day basis. So it's important that your visas are always up to date. Before applying for any UAE visa, make sure that you understand what is the purpose of your stay, what is the eligibility requirements, for how long you want it, what are the sponsorship rules, and you need to choose the right visa that can save you time, money, and future complications. If you found this video useful, please like and share it. Comment below which visa type you want detailed information about. And don't forget to subscribe for more UAE business and visa updates. See you in the next video.